Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia. In today's video, the first thing I need y'all to do is subscribe. If you are new, welcome to my channel, and if you are not new, thank you so much for coming back. As promised, I told you guys I would show you our growth results so far, and we are rapidly growing this month. Thank you guys for supporting. So my goal was 180,000 subscribers. We are at 178 and a half, and we've gained over 2,500 new subscribers. I have to update this. But y'all, sidebar, I just did this whole entire voiceover, right, in one shot. I was almost done. My dad called me, and the voiceover deleted. I have to do this whole voiceover again. So if I sound stressed out, I am. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I have to go to work at 9. I'm literally leaving here in 30 minutes and I have to redo this freaking voiceover. So please be sure to subscribe just off the strength of, one, I'm up early to do this. I edited this at 6 in the morning. I had to do 2 voiceovers for this and I am stressed. So welcome to my channel. But I just want to say thank you to all of the new subscribers. Seriously, all the people that have been supporting me on my lives, whether you follow me here on Threads, TikTok, I really do appreciate you guys. Like I said, my channel, I've been on excuse me, I've been on YouTube for a while. However, I did take like 2 long hiatuses and I'm just now trying to come back, and honestly I want to be a full-time content creator, so I'm gonna make it happen. And like I said, it's going to happen by 1/1/25. So you can either get in where you fit in or you can sit back and watch the success, because either way it's happening with or without you. And that's not even on no cocky stuff. As you can see the result, I said I want to get at least 1,000 new subscribers this month. We done already did that times 2, almost 3. So let's get it. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate y'all for being genuine, showing love, commenting, interacting. So now that I got that out the freaking way, I have my gorgeous client, Bree. This was her first time ever getting her hair silk pressed. Her mom reached out to me because she wanted her to get her hair treated, and she also wanted her to get her first professional like silk press and haircut / trim. So all you guys see me doing here is I'm going in with my Rusty Freak blow dryer. I did put in some of that Laid Hair Care Serum, the Hello Silk, and then I'm also just going in with my Paul Mitchell 427 paddle brush. You guys know I'm a creature of habit. I literally use the same blow dryer and brush on every client. I like this brush because it is heat resistant, meaning that my blow dryer is not going to burn my brush. My blow dryer is a professional blow dryer. It's made for salon professionals. It does have 2,000 watt, meaning that sometimes if you use a cheaper brush, it will melt the bristles together, and you don't want that because it'll just cause all types of tangles and confusion, and it'll just be stressful. So all I'm doing here is sectioning Bree's hair in 3 sections, and I'm just blow drying as needed. Now, if I had a client with thicker hair, obviously I would take smaller sections, but because Bree's hair is so fine and it's so soft, I can literally blow dry her hair without sectioning it. So that's what you guys see me doing here. Once I'm done this initial blow dry, I am going to go back and just run my fingers through as I'm blow drying the root, just to make sure everything is completely dry. And then after that, I am going to go in and round brush her. I know you guys always ask in the comments down below, so before we even get to that point, make sure to check out the links in my description and also my Amazon store. I literally update my Amazon store every other day. I try to, at least. I tag everything that I use on my Amazon store, and I also am sure to tag it in my description of my videos. So if you guys are always asking like, hey, what's this product, what's that, it's in my Amazon store. And then I even so far as to went to link dupes of products, so that way if you guys want the expensive version I'm using, you can use it, or if you want, you know, the affordable or at home, just want to practice, I literally have different variations of everything. I'm talking my mannequin heads, my hair clips, my color product, everything. So if you guys really want to just do a deep dive, or you just kind of want to get your hair arsenal together, be sure to check that out, because I'm always constantly updating it. And yeah, so this is what I'm talking about here. I'm just making sure that Bree's roots are nice and dry. And again, once I'm done doing this, I am going to go in with my Cricut round brush. I got mine off of Cosmoprof out of the store. However, you guys can purchase these on Amazon as well. So again, I will be sure to link everything down below. And lastly, because I done did all this already, I gotta remember what I was trying to tell y'all. My website is going to be doing a huge sale. You guys know I did a soft launch. If you don't know, surprise. So I did a soft launch of CassandraOlivia.com. However, you guys know my birthday is in September. I'm going to be doing a huge birthday sale, but here's the gag. The gag is you have to be signed up for my mailing list, because the sale is only going to be a secret sale, okay? We're talking low key. If you're not signed up for the email, even if you get the sale code, you won't be able to use it. So I'm serious. So don't think, oh, my cousin signed up, she gonna send me her code, because guess what? Both of y'all can't use it. So be sure to just take 2 seconds, go to CassandraOlivia.com, sign up for my mailing list, because again, I'm going to be doing birthday sales on everything. I'm talking restock of the flat irons that I use in my videos. You guys always ask me. For the last 4.5, 5 years, I've been using my own custom flat irons that I have custom made from a manufacturer, and had to literally go back and forth with everything, the color, the design, the packaging, the heat settings, all of that good stuff. So my flat irons are like my baby. So if you guys want to get in on that and get them at a good deal, I'm not going to tell y'all what the deal's going to be yet. You got to wait, but just know that you have to sign up for my website. Another thing that's going to be going on sale is my membership. For those of you who don't know, on CassandraOlivia.com, I will have a monthly membership, or you can pay 6 months or a year up front. And basically basically it's tutorials on natural hair, social media, hair coloring, wig making, literally everything that I do. So if you guys want more in-depth tutorials versus these little like 15-20 minute tutorials, then those full hour to 2 hour tutorials from start to finish, product breakdown, formula, pricing, timing, consultation, literally everything you can think of is going to be under my website membership. Okay, there's a difference between that website membership and the membership on my YouTube channel membership starts as low as $1. Excuse me. You can sign up for that and you'll get private access to private posts, pictures, content, stories, so on and so forth. I'm so sorry, it's early in the morning, I'm struggling, but I have to get this done. But I say this to say, you want to make sure that you guys are signed up, because I'm going to be doing a sale on my membership, my flat irons, and also my ebook. So I have an ebook that I did literally back in February. It comes with an hour-and-a-half video on top of the ebook, basically showing you guys how to market, how to put yourself out there, how to grow on social media. So whether you're a hairstylist or a regular Joe off the side of the street, if you want to make money online, I literally show you guys how to finesse and make money online. For those of you who don't know, I am a military wife. I'm a mom of 3. I'll be married 10 years in October. I'm a boss babe. I am a licensed cosmetologist, a hair instructor. I am a salon suite owner, content creator, influencer, brand ambassador. Like literally the list goes freaking on and on. So yes, I do hair, but I only do hair now 2 days a week because my other income pays all of my other bills. So if you guys are interested in like learning like how to make money on Amazon, all of that fun stuff, then be sure to check that out. Again, I have an ebook version, which is just a quick one and done with that hour-and-a-half tutorial, just breaking down all of the steps, how to grow, how to market, all of that stuff. But then I also have a membership, and the only difference between that and the membership obviously is the membership is constantly being updated. So as I get new information, as social media updates, I will be updating you guys through that, so that way we can grow together. And if you don't believe me, I have a private group on Facebook. I'll post some screenshots maybe in my next video, but basically I posted a few of my testimonials from my clients that I work with, and several of them have gone viral, have gained hundreds of thousands of subscribers, have also increased their revenue, worked less. So if you guys are looking to work smarter, not harder, then be sure to check that out. So now that I got that out the way, I'm so sorry. I feel like I just am rambling on because now I'm on a crunch. It's 7:28. I have to get this done literally in 30 minutes. Upload it, hashtag, tags, links, all of that. So I have the fire under me right now. So all I'm doing now, guys, is just going in. I'm pressing Bree's hair out bone straight, and then once I'm done, I am going to go in. I'm going to put on the silicone bib on her neck, and then I'm just going to use that silicone bib. I'm going to part her hair in the middle, and then we are going to do a haircut / hair trim. Again, this is her first ever salon visit, so I wanted to be sure to be extra thorough. And of course, her mom was here as well, so I'm just pretty much talking to her mom, letting her know what I'm going to do, and then you guys can watch as I cut / trim her hair. I know you guys are like, what is she spraying? I'm using the Kenra spray. I love the Kenra, the holding spray. It smells really good and it doesn't make the hair hard. So I'm just kind of combing everything down, looking to see what's damaged and what's not, and then I'm going to go in and start to follow the shape of her hair and then just clean her up. So this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to let this part play out, but again, if you have not already, be sure to do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, number 1. If you don't do anything else, I need you to hit that subscribe button. But if you're feeling real generous and real good because it's a beautiful Saturday morning and somebody woke you up this morning and you could have not been here, but you're here and you're just grateful for the fact that you're living and you're here on this page because somebody brought you here, aka the universe, aka God, or whatever you believe in, then be sure to sign up for my website, like, comment, subscribe, all of that. So I'm gonna finish trimming her. I know y'all are probably like, what the heck, but I got that early morning energy. Like, I have 2 clients today, 2 color clients. I'm so hyped. So I got 2 back-to-back colors, about to get this bread and then I'm off until next Friday, so I really cannot complain. I'm taking it easy for my birthday month, so you guys will be getting several more lives. Be sure to have my post notifications and all of that on so that way you don't miss it. But yeah, sorry for rambling on this morning. Again, I literally had to do this voiceover twice, and now I'm just on crunch mode, like, oh my god, did I tell them everything? But again, I'll be updating you guys on everything that's happening as my videos come out, but also on my membership and also on my community tab, so be sure to check that out also. Okay, so we're almost done the hair cutting portion. I left most of this in because I know you guys like to watch this, so on and so forth. But again, if you guys want to see fully detailed hair cutting tutorials from start to finish, angles, all of that, be sure just to sign up right now for my CassandraOlivia.com website, because I'm going to be dropping a sale on my membership for those of you who want to get the education for the low, okay? I'm trying to look out for y'all, because one thing about me, I love a sale. And I'm not paying full price if I don't have to, period. So this is that camera spray I was talking about. Again, everything's linked down below. And now all I'm doing is just going in again with my own custom flat irons. I'm just going to use it to curl her hair. Once I'm done, I'm just going to run my fingers and my comb through. I'm using a wide tooth comb, either or is fine. And then we're just going to what do I do after that? Oh, after that, I did go in, I used some of my leaf and flower flyaway stick just to get those little flyaways at the top of her hair. I like this flyaway stick because it does help when you have like resistant hair that won't lay down, or gray hair. I know sometimes gray hair can be like a different texture and try to like not lay when you style. So I love the leaf and flowers flyaway stick because you can literally lay down the hair and it's like a mascara wand. So again, once I'm done curling her up here, all I did was I sprayed her again with the camera spray. I went in with the leaf and flower flyaway tamer just for the hairs at the top that were sticking up. And then after that, I did go in with the Fenty edge control, the controlling type. And I also went in with the Fenty edge brush because why not? I paid for both, so why not use it? Once we were done that, I just gave her the mirror. I let her stand up, see her hair. Her mom was pleased, she was pleased. They got so many compliments and I just felt so honored because they could have went anywhere and they chose me to do her hair. And y'all know I don't charge kid prices, right? It's the same price for adults. So the fact that I literally have adults that come from all over and trust me with their little ones really makes my heart melt. So this is me just zhuzhing her hair up. Again, nothing too crazy. And then once I'm done, again, I just let her smell the edge control before we used it because that Rihanna edge control smells so freaking amazing. It's like nostalgia in a freaking bottle. So be sure to check that out if you guys haven't already. Again, I will be sure to link everything down below. I'm pretty much done this voiceover. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys. She was happy. Y'all know how sometimes kids don't be wanting to smile. They be trying to look all tough. So she was not budging, okay? She was giving me poker face the whole entire appointment until I started doing this and the edges, and then it was just like all smiles from this point. So I was like, okay, it was making me a little nervous. But again, that's that camera spray. Again, don't be scared to use it. And again, that's the flyaway tamer I was talking about. And then we're gonna go in with the edge control. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, why do I keep saying again? I don't know. That's mad annoying. Be quiet. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here because like I said, I do have a client today at 9. I have a 9 o'clock color and then I have a 1 o'clock color. I'm going to try to hop on live tonight, hopefully, fingers crossed, around 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Y'all know I'm in Delaware, but we'll see. It depends on what time I get off. I might want to grab some food. I might want to lay down, take a nap. I don't know. But thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful and amazing Saturday and a wonderful extended weekend just to relax and just hang out and decompress. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.